So today I'm talking about heat guns. We all have them. We've used them. This is one that I've been using for years. It works great. I have no issues with it in general. I've had it for 3 or 4 or 5 years now, and it's still going strong. It's a great little unit. It's got high and low speeds, but that's it. And as you can see, with a fairly large head, it's a fairly large unit. When I've tried to work on slightly smaller components, obviously this really hasn't been doing the trick. So I opted to upgrade to something a little more applicable. So I ended up ordering this unit right here, the SMD rework station. It just arrived, so let's go ahead and check it out. Alright, we've got, comes with some great picks. Look at that, a full set. From whom, I have no idea. We've got a full set of nozzles. Also, we have our instruction manual. Don't know what we're going to do with that one. Maybe we'll actually read it. We have a stand, looks like with a few anchors. We have an extra 110 volt coil, absolutely fantastic. With my other unit, I've had it for 5 years and I have not had to change it out. This is the actual unit. Oh, looks like we have 2 pairs of tweezers. You can never have too many of those. That's it. Let's go ahead and see the other side. One of the reasons why, what attracted me to this unit specifically was the level of control that I would have based on my other unit. We've got not only fan speed control, but we have temperature control. Obviously this is the up and down, here's your power. When I initially saw it online, I actually thought the intakes were going to be along here, but they're actually through here. I don't know if you can see that right there. They actually, here are your intakes. So let's go ahead and plug it in and check it out. Standby lights. Go ahead and flip that on. Looks like it defaults to 200C. As you can see, the temperature going up. That's quick. That's real quick. Fan speed is pretty good. You can turn that, that's max. You can turn that down. And obviously we can kind of bring that temperature down to 180. See how long it takes. What I really like is that it blinks until it gets to the actual temp, which is fantastic. You can see it's starting to come down now, 84, 82, and 80. Fantastic. Let's go ahead and pop that in the stand. What I also liked about this unit is that when you turn it off, it actually, the fan stays on while the unit is cooling down. This is really going to save on the life of your components, and obviously it's going to reduce the thing from just basically burning out. It's going to continue to go down. I can feel that coming down if I actually turn that fan up. So that's all I have. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks a lot, guys.